One cup of English.
Real English for real life.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back. I'm Sophia.
And I'm Jason. So happy you are here today, really.
Because today we are talking about something every English learner needs. Every single one.
Picture this. You are talking to someone in English. Everything is going fine. And then, suddenly, they say something fast, very fast.
And your brain just stops. You understood maybe one word. Maybe 0 words.
And now you are just standing there, smiling, nodding, hoping they stop talking soon.
We know this feeling. Everyone knows this feeling.
Or maybe this happens to you. You want to say something. You know the idea, but the words are just not coming.
Your mouth is open. Nothing is coming out. The silence is getting longer.
These moments are so uncomfortable. But here is the good news.
You do not need perfect English to survive them. You need a few simple phrases, the right phrases.
Today, we give you exactly that. Phrases that save you in any conversation, any situation.
If that sounds useful, hit like right now and subscribe so you never miss an episode.
And tell us in the comments, has this ever happened to you? Write yes. We want to know we are not alone.
Before the phrases, one important idea. Just one.
You do not need perfect English to have a conversation.
You need enough English to keep the conversation going. That is it.
And these phrases, they do exactly that. They buy you time, they ask for help, they keep the door open.
Ready? Let's go through them. Okay, I give the problem, Jason gives the solution. Listen carefully. Problem 1. Someone speaks too fast. You heard the words, but nothing made sense.
Solution. Could you speak more slowly, please?
Polite, clear, works every time, and most people are happy to slow down.
Would you use this? Tell us in the comments.
Problem 2. Someone said something and you simply did not catch it. Maybe one word, maybe the whole sentence.
Solution. Sorry, I didn't catch that.
This is natural. This is normal. Native speakers say this too. Problem 3. You need more time to think. The question was good, but your brain needs a moment.
Solution? Let me think for a second.
This phrase is gold. It tells the other person, I am still here, I am thinking, do not go anywhere.
Say it out loud right now. Let me think for a second. Good.
Problem 4. You know the idea, but the word in English is completely gone.
Solution. How do you say this in English?
Simple, honest, and the other person will help you. People love to help. Problem 5. You want to answer, but you are not 100% sure.
Solution. I'm not sure, but I think.
This is a beautiful phrase. It shows you are trying. It shows you are honest. It keeps the conversation going.
Have you said something like this before? Write in the comments.
Problem 6. Someone explained something, but you need to hear it one more time.
Solution. Could you say that again, please?
Very polite, very normal. No embarrassment needed, ever. Problem 7. You understood the words, but you are not sure what they mean together.
Solution? What do you mean exactly?
This shows you are listening, it shows you care, and it gets you a clearer answer. And problem 8. You want to answer, but you need just a little more time to find the right words.
Solution. That's a good question. Let me think.
This one is perfect for interviews, for meetings, for any moment when the pressure is high.
8 phrases. 8 problems solved. Not bad.
Now let's see these phrases in a real moment. You are at a train station. I am a stranger. Jason is our English learner. Listen. Excuse me, do you know if the number 7 train goes to Central Street, or does it stop before the bridge?
Okay, that was fast. That was a lot of words. Total panic. But watch what happens next. Sorry, could you speak more slowly, please?
Oh, of course. Does the number 7 train go to Central Street?
I'm not sure, but I think it does. Maybe check the board over there?
Perfect. Thank you so much.
That was it. I did not understand everything, but I kept the conversation going. I helped, and it felt good.
2 phrases. That is all it took. Now, let's hear a short conversation using a few of these phrases together.
Hi, I'm Jason. Nice to meet you.
Hi, I'm Sophia. Nice to meet you too.
So where are you from originally?
I'm from a small city. You probably don't know it. How do you say? It is near the mountains, near a big lake.
Oh, sounds beautiful. Do you miss it?
That's a good question. Let me think. Yes, I miss it in the summer.
I understand that feeling completely.
Short, natural, real. And 2 survival phrases used perfectly.
Could you try writing a short dialogue like this? Use 1 or 2 phrases from today. Write it in the comments. We will read them all.
Okay, fast recap. 8 phrases. Remember them.
Could you speak more slowly, please? When someone is too fast.
Sorry, I didn't catch that. When you missed something.
Let me think for a second. When you need time.
How do you say this in English? When the word is gone.
I'm not sure, but I think when you are not 100%.
Could you say that again, please? When you need repetition.
What do you mean, exactly? When you need more clarity.
That's a good question. Let me think. When the pressure is high.
8 phrases. That is it. Simple, powerful, real.
These phrases do not make you perfect. They make you unstoppable.
Our question for today. Which phrase do you need the most right now? Write it in the comments.
Maybe it is, could you speak more slowly? Maybe it is, let me think for a second. Maybe it is all of them.
Write it, practice it, own it.
If this episode helped you, hit like. It really helps us reach more people who are learning English.
Subscribe if you haven't yet. New episode every week. Simple English, real situations, no stress.
And share this with one friend who is learning English. Just one person today.
Remember, you don't need perfect English.
You need the right phrases.
And now you have them.
Take care, everyone.
Bye.